Hey guys, so today we're going to be learning how to make a bacon cheeseburger. The number one tip I have for you is to not use starter fluid when it comes to lighting up your coals, because it will translate to the flavor of your food. Instead of lighter fluid, you're going to want to use something like this fire starter over here. Basically what you do is you put it in the bottom, you pile the coals on top, you light it up. It takes a little longer, I would say about 30 to 40 minutes for the coals to get ready, but trust me, it's going to be well worth it once you taste your food and you don't have that chemical taste. To make a burger patty, it doesn't have to be difficult. The one thing you do need to remember is that if you want a juicy burger, make sure to get 80-20 meat. What that means is 80% meat, 20% fat. Alright, so in this case I have 80-20 ground chuck. What I like to do, I like to give it some Latin flavor. You can season it however you want, but I like to add some complete seasoning to mine. When you're making that big patty, you always want to remember, you want to put a dimple in the middle, because it doesn't matter what you do, your burger will swell up. So the dimple is just going to prevent it from losing its shape so much and becoming more round. So make your patty, make sure it's nice and round, flatten it up, and put that dimple in it. We gotta grow up to temp, so let's throw the burgers on and let's get started. Remember, don't move your meat. The more you move it, the more juices get lost. Don't squish them, they're fine, let them rest. They're gonna cook, give them about 5 to 6 minutes on each side. 5-6 minutes, flip them over, 5-6 minutes more, and take them out and let them get nice and rested so that you could put them on a bun and get ready to enjoy. Excuse me guys for eating in front of you. I mean, it's just so good and I haven't eaten this whole time. So as you can see, making a bacon cheeseburger is easy. You know, there were some mistakes and errors here, but at the end, what matters is that it tastes really good and it's gonna make my family happy. Don't forget, you kids, make some sliders and enjoy.